you are enjoying the sessions?
Yes.
Yeah. So before starting the session, just I want to ask some questions with you. Do you have mobiles?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you use mobiles for calling purpose or it's only for internet purpose? So how you connect with people over mobile phones? And irrespective of WhatsApp, social medias.
LinkedIn, some
Other than social medias. Yeah.
media.
So the one major thing from which the mobile started, that calling facility. And for call we need SIM. And for SIM, without network there is nothing. So when we know that a SIM card network is required for connecting other people, so why we are not using networking in our personal and professional life? That is a major important to grow as a person, as a professional, and as a human being in a life. So I am starting the session to know and to explain about my thoughts, how importance of networking in our personal life, professional life to each and every people. So starting. So first question is, what is networking? So networking is connecting and building a relationship between group of people, where each and every people is share their ideas, thoughts, their informations, and the resources of that information. So there is obviously one question: what is this? If it is only the sharing of ideas, no. So if we have a question that what is networking, so we need to understand that how it is importance of in our life. So in definition itself there is a point that it's developing and maintaining professional relationship that helps in learning career paths. So being a professional, being a CS students, we know how the market is rapidly growing in our fraternity. So there is a lot less jobs. So we need networking to go a very good career, because there is a lot of careers where without our network we can't go. So networking is very important of life. So moving to how it is important and in which way it is important. So first, there is a exploring new career opportunities. So being a CA, in earlier days what we know, a CA is only doing tax consultancy or stat audit or internal audit. But as market grows and networks are good for our earlier generations, they know that behind that audit and tax, we have finance department also, where a CA can go and do and give his skills to gain the corporate or organization goals. So that is coming from explore new career opportunities, which we see that today's world we can go in any field, a CA can go in any field. So first is explore new career opportunities. Second is help in building connections. Okay. So for going or getting the career opportunity, we need to know and we need the resource that where we can from where that opportunity is coming. So for that we need someone who told us, okay, this company is now this vacancy. There is a CFO vacancy, finance manager, account manager, accounts payable. There is a lot of departments, so there is a lot of vacancies. So for that, earlier there is no that much social medias that they easily post. Okay, in our company that vacancy is there. Today is there, but today is also not. They are not giving all the vacancies in their social media or career developments. So it's only coming from personal connections. If we have a personal connection in the company, we have our friends in the company, and we have network in that company, they will easily help us to know, okay, what company is going to, what new departments they are filling up. So that help us in a big thing. Third is help to get advices. So being a CA, if we went to, we can discuss with our earlier CS, they also upgraded it. But their major thought is come do internal audit, stat audit, and tax. I think we all know this is the fact. Our earlier generation, they told only these things only. But if you, just look after that our 1 or 2 years back seniors, they will know us. There's a lot of things for us rather than audit and tax. The CA can now went to a SAP analysis. So they will provide us and help us to advise us, okay, you not to go audit, but you can go there also. So this help us in our career, our big major. Fourth is discover hidden jobs that benefit your career. As already we discussed, there is a lot of jobs we already don't know, and even there is a lot of jobs we still don't know. But nowadays, CAs are going and grabbing that job. So that is a very big role of networking in our career. This is what is a networking data. Okay, we know what is networking. We have a different question. So what? Okay, networking is setting the goals, ideas, thoughts. But so what? We get the importance of networking in our life. Now the third question in our mind is coming. We know, okay, this and this is helpful. So what we need to do? So the third and major thing is build your network. So for building network, you need to that purpose for what you need to build, the goals, you have the clear ideas, and how you utilize that networks in your personal career. And that's last how you build. There is after networking, we don't need any social medias. We have friends, families, relatives, employers, our teachers, our faculties, our colleagues that help to build a network. Their friends can help me. So this we can help our networking and improve our networking. And last, we need and just conclude this that success, we all know success, want success. And today's world, the success is incomplete without networking. So success is not what you know, it's not who you know, it's all about who wants to know. So this I'm my students, hope you are enjoying the